Let me show you another client as well for whom we are spending very heavily. In the entire February month, we have spent 143,000 pounds. And see the number of
Yeah.
leads which we have generated for them.
Okay.
And if I talk about this month alone, because he is into very big thing, we have spent in just 17 days 98,000 pounds has been spent in this account alone. If I talk about for the March alone, you can see we spent $9,514. Okay,
Okay.
just 17 days. In this last February month, we did good, 18,000. So we are spending. Facebook right column, Facebook right column, which is your
I
ad which you are
understand.
seeing on your desktop, these kind of ads. And you know one thing, that 95% of your users are mobile users. So why I should be showcasing my ad over there, where I even know my 95% of the users are mobile one. Okay, so my budget should
Uh-huh.
be spending on the right way. Make sense, buddy?
Sure. I gotta go
Re-
check that.
exactly. Remove Instagram Explore and Facebook Explore as well, and Facebook notification. How many times you are seeing your ads coming over there? How many times? No. So why
Yeah.
I should be pushing my budget over there? I literally disable that. So this is how we will gonna eliminate all those leakages.
Wow. Good. That's great stuff. Thank you, Rob. Thank you. Okay, that clears that up.
As of now, you are using instant form,
So
rapid.
what my other choice would be to send it to an outside landing page.
In that scenario, we need to create the lender then. Okay?
Well, what I'm saying, but Facebook charges you more for that, right?
No, why? You are going to use the same creative, the same ad copy, but you will be having a new ad set with same ad
Okay.
budget. Okay? But different way. So what you want from me over here?
Well, I just wanted to see. So right now, none of these new ads I've created have done shit for a day
See,
since
first
they've
of
been
all,
on, right?
they haven't spent anything. Today is 17th March, let's say. Today is
Right.
17th March.
So I just did them yesterday.
So let's say
So
today,
that's how much they've spent.
exactly. Today you
But I
got
don't have any leads.
two leads.
I have two leads?
Yes, see this thing. One.
Oh,
$10,
oh, okay.
$12. Can you
That's
see?
good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Perfect. And
Yeah,
see
that
another
that makes me happy. Yeah.
perfect.